What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode on Spooling Up Performance. Today's Wednesday, test and tune night at the track. We're about to go. Car's ready. We're ready. Got a bunch of boys meeting up there. Get some film, some badass cars. Bring you guys along with for the ride. Make some passes. Have a good time. Stay tuned. We'll see you there.
I think he just had a bad launch.
He did.
Yeah.
That was.
Alright, so got 2, 4, 6, 8 runs in tonight. So it started off shitty. 8.7, 84, 8.5. Nope, that's out of order. 8.6, 85, 8.52 at 86, 8.51 at 86, 8.6 at 85, This is my best run right here so far for the night. 8.50 at 87 flat. 8.51 at 84. This one I spun the shit out of the car at the start, so that was 8.8 at 86. So pretty consistent across the board. The 60 foots are awful. That's because I'm on a street tire. Probably could get better. I think my best 60 foot is right here. No. 2.00 60 foot. So that was my best one. Almost in the one. So we're gonna keep working on it. I just need a tire. I mean, it's only in it. It's intake and X pipe with a muffler delete, no tune. So doing pretty good for now. Just a tune alone, I think, would bring me down the lower 8s. So that's where we're at right now. Hope you guys like those numbers so far. I don't think it's too bad. Second time at the track with the car, so. That's going to do it for this episode. I hope you guys liked it. Car didn't do too bad. If I want to go any faster, I'm going to need a tire, so like a radial or a slick or something. Basically what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to run the best times I can before I do the next modification, just so I can see how progressively everything's getting and how much faster it's getting with each thing. Staying pretty consistent. I almost got 8.4. I just showed you my time slips. I think the best one was like an 8.50. I think my best mile an hour is like an 87 mile an hour. It's getting there. The launch is kind of crappy just because of the tires, trying to warm them up, but it is what it is. It's doing pretty good. I'm having a blast. As you guys can see, there's a lot of badass cars. I'll be doing a lot more of that stuff. So make sure you comment, like, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Peace!